Check out the incredible number of views this channel is receiving for its space-related content. And let me assure you, it's far from being oversaturated. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating captivating space content for any social media platform of your choice without any copyright concerns. Together, we'll craft a unique video from start to finish, so stick around till the end to grasp the whole concept. Step 1. To begin, the initial phase involves script generation, which can be accomplished through two methods. The initial approach entails utilizing ChatGPT. Initially, I requested it to provide me with a fact pertaining to the Milky Way. Subsequently, upon receiving the desired fact, I proceeded to ask for a captivating hook to introduce this paragraph. However, the initial attempt to make it address the viewer did not meet my expectations. Consequently, I provided an example to guide it, resulting in the desired hook. For the purpose of this project, I will solely utilize the first portion of the generated hook. Let's now delve into the second approach to acquire the script. Start by locating a viral video that is relevant to the subject of your own video. For instance, I will utilize a video showcasing the Milky Way, which has garnered an impressive 1.9 million views. After copying the video's URL, proceed to the dub transcription tool. Before proceeding, it is necessary to create an account. Once you have logged in, navigate to the designated page and select the video link. Paste the URL and click on the transcribe button. Then, confirm your selection by clicking on the confirm option. To avoid any potential copyright concerns, copy the resulting text and request ChatGPT to rephrase it for you. Step 2 involves obtaining the B-roll or AI images. To accomplish this, we will make use of the incredible Leonardo AI. To begin, simply visit the following URL. If you happen to be watching this video in the future when this feature is available, feel free to take advantage of it. However, for now, you can access the image generation section to obtain still images. I have already made an attempt to generate some pictures here. Now proceed by clicking on prompt generation and enter a simple idea, such as space. Click on Ideate, and you will be presented with various prompts to choose from. Select one and click Generate. Ensure that your settings are adjusted for a short format. If the results are not what you're looking for, don't worry, you can try different prompts by clicking here to download the pictures. I'll fast forward through the remaining steps. These are the outcomes I obtained. Remember to divide your video into different scenes so that you know which images to generate. Go to pixels.com for stock footage and download videos according to your demand so we can use them in video editing. Once all videos are downloaded, next part is background music. For that we will use Pixabay. You can easily download copyright-free music from Pixabay. In this step, we'll use the 11 Labs text-to-speech feature. It's one of the best voice generators. Start by going to the 11 Labs website again, sign up for free, and you will get 10,000 characters for free. You can also buy its subscription. Now select the voice you want. Click Generate to generate the voiceover. When ready, just download the audio. Let's listen to the complete voice.
Here are the top 5 points about the Milky Way. 1. The Milky Way galaxy originated approximately 12.7 billion years ago. 2. Scientists estimate that the Milky Way witnesses the birth of around 7 new stars annually. 3. The solar system is positioned about 27,000 light-years away from the galactic center of the Milky Way.
Now let's move to the next step. Now, we have all the things to edit this video. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. It's a free video editing software, and you can download it to your computer or mobile. In this video, I'm going to use desktop version of CapCut. After you download it, open a new project. On the side of the screen, you can see a button called Modify. Just click it, and you can change your project name and select a suitable size for your video, which is 16:9 ratio. Now click this import button and import all the images, voiceovers, music, and videos to this editor. First, drag all voiceovers to the timeline like this and make sure they are in the correct order. Then, Drag the video footage above it and then you can follow these steps. Just do it like this. We'll just add images here and there as well. Make sure to add the images in a suitable place with the script. Just take your time to edit this part because this is really important. You need to put much effort into making this video look better. If not, you can't monetize it according to new policies. So, just spend some time arranging these videos and images in a suitable order. After that, go to transitions and add transitions in between these videos and images. It will improve the quality of the video. There are a lot of transitions in CapCut. That's why I use CapCut to edit these videos. It's really simple. After adding all transitions, you must add some video effects as well. Go to Effects and add effects like this. By adding these suitable effects, your video will look like a professional level edit. So you don't have to worry about getting demonetized. Add as much as effect you want, but make sure it is suitable for your niche. After you complete that process, we need captions. Go to Text from the top menu and select Auto Captions. Select the language as English and generate the caption. It will automatically generate the captions. Then we can edit these captions as well. Select the captions and you will see this menu. You can change the fonts, text colors, and text effects from this menu. It's really simple. Make sure to edit your captions in an interesting way so that your viewers will not get bored. Also, you can add text animations. It will improve the quality of your video. After you edit the caption, you can add the background music to the timeline like this. And make sure to reduce its volume. Your viewers should be able to hear the voiceover clearly. After doing all these things, you can export your video.
Here are the top 5 points about the Milky Way. 1. The Milky Way galaxy originated approximately 12.7 billion years ago. 2. Scientists estimate that the Milky Way witnesses the birth of around 7 new stars annually. 3. The solar system is positioned about 27,000 light-years away from the galactic center of the Milky Way. 4. The Milky Way is in constant motion, traversing space at a speed of approximately 343 miles per second. 5. At the heart of the galaxy lies a supermassive black hole in the central core.
I hope you find this tip helpful. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.